lights, camera, and a whole lot of Hollywood glamour. Welcome back to CelebXplore Hub, where we're diving into the star-studded premiere after-party of the sizzling new tennis film, Challengers. But hold on to your seats, because it's not just the movie making headlines, it's the sensational Zendaya stealing the spotlight. Zendaya, the epitome of elegance and style, turned heads at the Challengers after-party, setting tongues wagging with her jaw-dropping neon green gown. The Dune actress stunned in every stride, exuding confidence and grace as she celebrated the film's premiere alongside her co-stars. But it wasn't just about the fashion. Zendaya's performance as aspiring tennis star Tashi Duncan is already generating buzz. Paired with her talented co-stars, including Mike Feist and Josh O'Connor, Zendaya delivers a performance that's bound to leave audiences mesmerized. From Venus Williams to Storm Reid, the red carpet was a star-studded affair. Each personality brought their own flair, adding to the glitz and glamour of the evening. And let's not forget the behind-the-scenes magic. Director Luca Guadagnino's vision and Zendaya's dedication truly shine through in Challengers. As the countdown to the film's release on April 26 begins, anticipation is at an all-time high. With steamy scenes and intense performances, Challengers promises to be a cinematic delight. Stay tuned to CelebXplore Hub for all the latest updates and exclusive interviews from the world of entertainment.